नमस्ते। क्या आप भी मेरे तरह WFH कर करके ये सोच रहे हो कि आपके बॉडी का, आपके फिटनेस का क्या होगा? अभी तक जिम्स खुले नहीं हैं, तो आप खुद के लिए क्या कर सकते हो ताकि यू कीप फिट एंड प्रिवेंट ऑल द डैमेज दैट इज डन बाय सिटिंग? तो ये मैं आपको आज बताने जा रही हूँ दैट लीव योर टेबल चेयर वेयर इट इज, बट स्प्रेड अ योगा मैट that you can at all points of time see and something which calls you to come and exercise. तो आपके लिए मैं एक स्ट्रैटेजी बना रही हूँ ताकि आप बैठ बैठ के खुद का बैक, नी, दिमाग का दही ना बनाएं. So for every 30 minutes of sitting, I want you to stand for 3 minutes. So stand for a full 3 minutes. 3 minutes जब आप खड़े हो तब you can even continue working. उसके बाद के जो 30 मिनट्स होंगे उसमें यू आर गोइंग टू डू दिस एक्सरसाइज दैट आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू एंड यू गोइंग टू रिपीट ईच वन ऑफ दीज एक्सरसाइजेस 5 टाइम्स. मतलब आपको सिर्फ एक ही एक्सरसाइज करनी है लेकिन आपको वो 5 टाइम्स रिपीट करनी है. सो व्हाट डू यू डू? फर्स्ट हाफ एन आवर सिट डाउन एंड वर्क. 30 मिनट्स आर डन. स्टैंड फॉर 3 मिनट्स. सिट डाउन एंड वर्क. 30 मिनट्स आर डन. गेट अप. Pick up your chair, put it by a wall, which has a yoga mat. क्यों yoga mat? क्योंकि जब हम लोग WFH करते हैं तब हमको visual reminders लगते हैं to remind ourselves that we must exercise and not just sit around the entire day. So at the end of 1 hour, you're going to go to the yoga mat. You're not going to go to your phone and check कि क्या चल रहा है दुनिया में, किसने क्या फोटो अपलोड किया, क्या खबर है. None of that. Okay. You must ensure that your body is not being demolished by sitting. That's the thing here. So what are you going to do? Well, you're going to face in the front. Your butt is going to be towards your chair. You're going to be doing everything that we have learned till now. So first hour mein these are your 5. This is your exercise that you will do for 5 reps. You sit down and you stand up. That's 1. You sit down and you stand up. That's 2. You sit down slowly, stand up fast. 3. Sit down slowly. जब भी gravity के साथ जाते हो धीरे से जाओ. Against gravity, come up fast. Sit down slowly and come up fast. This is your 5 exercise, your 5 reps of 1 exercise at the end of 1 hour. Second hour में आपको क्या करना है? Second hour में you have to get it a little deeper. Okay. बैठ के क्या होता है, हमारे जो एडप्टर्स है या जो इनर थाइज है, they get weak. Once inner thighs get weak, the stomach starts sagging down. There is pressure on the uterus, or there is pressure on the lower back. There is sagging of the face. You begin to look old and all of those things. So you're going to stand with your feet right under your hips. Spread them. अभी तो आपको पता है कि toes कैसे spread होते हैं. Stand up and tall. And then sit down. Now every time you're sitting down, you have to ensure that your knees move away. Okay? So, and stand up. So don't just sit down like this. Sit in a way where you begin to spread your knees out. So spread your knees so that you're making space for your hips to come down. Spread your knees, make room for your hips to come down. Stand up quickly. Second rep. Now go down slow. Up quickly. One more time. Slow. And up quickly. And one more time. Slow. Knees out. And up quickly. Alright? That's what you do in the second hour. Third hour के लिए आप क्या करोगे? देखो, the head is the heaviest part of your body. बच्चों को 6 महीने लग जाते हैं जस्ट नेक को उठाने के लिए. उसके बाद में हम स्क्रीन पे, लैपटॉप पे कॉन्स्टेंटली हमारा it's called the tech neck posture. It goes in the front and it really ruins your neck, your back, your upper back, your chest. You begin to look like this. Your bra won't fit, the blouse won't come, arms look bulky. All of this just because too much time on the net. So what can you do? You have to learn to open your chest and work your shoulders. So again, use your chair. When you're using your chair, this is what you do. You open your hands and open them wide. Fingers need to open wide As women, we have to learn to take as much space as possible, at least in our own homes and hearts. So chair को इस तरीके से push कीजिए. Open your fingers up, point your fingers up towards the ceiling, lift your knees up, roll your thighs in, pull, make sure that hips are the tallest part of your body, and then let your chest move down towards the floor and towards your thighs. So push your thighs away from your face and take your chest towards your thighs. Hips the tallest part, let your fingers point up straight. 5 counts, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, nice. And repeat this another 5 times. अगर 5 times बहुत मुश्किल लगता है तो 3 times. लेकिन हर एक घंटे में आपको ये एक एक्सरसाइज करनी है. तो आज 5 घंटों में तो क्या करना है, I have told you. And every half an hour, all that you have to do is stand. All right. So the 4th hour, what are you going to do for the 4th hour? Legs का आपने कर लिया. You've learned to open your knees. The adductors are working. The chest is open. The shoulders are working. The arms are nice and taut. But then what about the back? So now what you need to do is go down, hold the legs of the chair, and then walk close and lift yourself up. So go on your toes, curl your toes up, lift your thighs up, don't let the thighs sink. Thighs up, hips down, thighs up, bring your chest closer to the chair, use the chair to open your chest, roll your shoulders back and look up towards the backrest of the chair. Squeeze your hips together, lift your thighs and stay. 5 counts. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. All right. This is at the end of the 4th hour. What do you do at the end of the 5th hour? At 4.5 hours, stand up, stand for 3 minutes. 5th hour, like अरे इसका सीट का क्या करें, बार बार सिर्फ हम लोग बैठ नहीं सकते हैं. So this time, what you're going to do is put your hands down, put your foot up, one foot up and the other foot up, and then squeeze your hips together and then just stay there. Okay? You want to move ahead, you can walk. अगर चलना ही है, कुर्सी पे चलो and stay. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. That's all for today. 5 घंटे में 5 एक्सरसाइजेस 5 reps के लिए ज़रूर कीजिए. Fitness is about doing small things for days together, for months together, for years together. That's when you reap the cumulative benefits. बॉटल से, प्रोग्राम से, ऐप से हैशटैग इम्यूनिटी नहीं आती है. आदतें बदलने से इम्यूनिटी आती है. The real immunity, which actually comes to rescue you when you need it the most, without standing in a queue at a chemist, without a WhatsApp forward, just by your own gut and instinct. So 5 exercise today, ladies and gentlemen. 1 every hour, 5 reps each, and tell me how you feel at the end of the day. Bye bye and have a good day.